So this is a rounding back video too. So we're going to round off the number with the decimals. So we have 79.38. So I want you to rounding off to the tenths. So we know the 10th digit is 3 here. If you're not sure about the place value, we need to go back to the place value video. All right, the 10th is here, and then we look at the 8. Since the 8 is bigger than 5, so we need to add 1 to it. So that will be pretty easy, 9.4. Usually, if it's whole numbers, we need to put the place value here. But this time we don't, because digit after it usually doesn't count, so we don't write it. So we rub it off. Let's rub it off. So this is our rounding to the tenths. Sometimes they will not say tenths, they will say that rounding off to decimal places. So let's have someone here. All right, this is long, but this is a decimal point here. So these numbers is actually small. This time we want to round off to 2 decimal places. When we count decimal places, we count the number after, which is the right of the decimal point. So we count 1, 2. 2 decimal places, we count 1, 2 here. All right, the second decimal places, so we're pointing at the 5 and look at the 4. Since 4 is smaller than 5, so all this will become like this. So decimal places will be the digit after the decimal point, right? Here is a tricky bit. Careful with the tricky bit. So we have 4. Why does it always start with 4? 7.293. No, 296. That will work. All right, 47.296. All right, still rounding off to 2 decimal places. So we're pointing at the second decimal places and look at the 6. Oh no, 6, we need to add 1 to it. So add 1 to 9, put forward to 3. So we have 7.3. Usually we do not write this, but because this is a rounding off value, and we need to tell people I have rounded it off to 2 decimal places, so this 0 is needed. In general, if it's a 9 there, it's round off. So originally, there's more than 2 decimal places, but I rounded off here, so I need to tell people that I rounded it off. So it's needed here, we need to put a 0. Otherwise, we don't. And that is the tricky bit here.